Hello Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your next 48. This is episode 17 and 18 for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising in the North Node. Let's see what the messages are. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising in the North Node, please and thank you. Okay, 10 of Swords. All right, so you could be dealing with a Gemini. It's dead silent, no communication, being excommunicated. All right. You have the Princess of Swords. I'm getting someone's going to break their silence. I'm getting to somebody's watching you. Yeah, it could be a group of people watching you. But I'm getting that somebody's watching you, though. I'm getting you're watching an air sign, like heavy as fuck. The Moon card. Yeah, the King of Cups, okay. The Six of Pentacles, and then we have the Star. Okay, so somebody here could, I'm getting someone here is a spy, just period. I'm also getting two, what's the Moon? I'm hearing moonlight. Or spotlight. The Moon, yeah, we have the Five of Pentacles. Interesting. Let's go around again. So this could be a Cancerian that you're not speaking to, or they're not speaking to you. Somebody got cut out of a situation or some shit. I'm also getting two, poor transmission, or there's something wrong with your devices. Because the Six of Pentacles, that's your energy, Taurus, the second deacon of your sign. Yeah, we have the, okay. Yeah, so something at your house is going to go. I'm getting the lights are getting shut off at your home, or this is an air sign. Or you can't contact somebody because their phone is off. I mean, like somebody's literally in the dark at their house, like somebody's lighting candles and shit. What's the Prince of Swords? Yeah, the Six of Wands. Yeah, I'm getting an electrical outage or a blackout. What's this? Ten of Pentacles. The Princess of Swords. A lot of watching. What's the Star? Yeah, the Hangman. Yeah, but somebody knows you're watching them. I'm getting two, it's very poor communication. I'm getting to like somebody comes to work on your home, or somebody comes to repair something in your home, and the lights go out, or the lights start flickering and shit like that. I'm getting somebody comes to repair something at your home, and all of a sudden your electrical wiring starts to fuck up, or your light starts flickering, or something like that. Now I'm getting you could live somewhere where you don't have to call maintenance, they just come. Like if you live in a high rise or a gated community, and the maintenance man just kind of shows up at your fucking house unannounced for no fucking reason to fix something in your home. that does not need to be repaired, you should be suspicious about that. I'm getting it's not a repairman. What is it? What is, let's go around again. So maybe you are the one maybe you are the one that is responsible for, maybe you are a maintenance man at a building or something like that, a high rise, a hotel, something like that. Yeah, there you are again. So I'm getting you are the repairman, or you are Mr. Fix It. You're trying to fix wiring, or you're trying to rewire something. But I'm also getting too, all of a sudden something just, like I said, all of a sudden something just goes out at your home and you have to call maintenance. What is the Prince of Swords and the Six of Wands? Yeah, the Five of Wands. Yeah, like the maintenance man, here he is. He's fucking with your wiring. He's putting shit back together. What is the Moon card in the Five of Pentacles? Or somebody here works on houses. Somebody's a contractor or something like that. Moon card, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, the Strength. Yeah, the Empress. Yeah, the Seven of Wands. But I'm getting you go to fix something at somebody's apartment. They're like, no, you can't come in here. Like somebody won't let you in. Or this is you. You're like, no, you can't come in here. You can't. I don't need shit to be fixed in my house. Because I'm getting Taurus. You feel suspicious about something about the situation it does not sit well with you. It's something that's fishy. What is the King of Cups and the Ten of Pentacles? Yeah, I'm getting somebody here's an electrician. Yeah, the Seven of Wands, but they're not gonna fucking let you in. They're like, no, you can't come in here. What is the Six of Pentacles and the Princess of Swords? Or this is you. Yeah. I'm getting you contact somebody else. Like somebody tries to come in and fix something. You're like, no, I don't want you coming in. Maybe somebody looks unprofessional, or somebody's flirting with you, or something just feels fishy. Something inside your spirit makes you feel uneasy about it. What's this combination? I'm getting whatever you did in somebody's house, the fucking wiring is faulty as fuck. It's not working, or it keeps going out, or the wires keep getting crossed, or the electricity keeps going out over and over again. What's this combination? Like somebody's very cautious about who comes in their home, who comes in their space. I'm getting it's you. Like somebody is not with the fucking random visits or the pop-up visits and shit. I'm getting you're not with that shit. No, you can't fucking come here. You gotta call me first or some shit like that. Or do not fucking come. Or I'm getting you don't want people in your fucking house when you're not there. Or in your domain when you're not there. I'm getting a do not disturb sign. What is this combination? I'm also getting as well I'm getting you're going to come home and realize that you have an eviction notice on your door. Like you can't get in, the locks have been changed and all that shit. All right, what is this? Or your key is not working. I'm getting when you leave the house, your keys work. When you come back, they don't. But whatever it is, your spidey, something is not right with the situation. What is this combination? Yeah, we have the King of Wands and the Queen of Wands. Yeah, so this, I'm getting surveillance. I'm getting to like somebody is coming to install ADT, or somebody is coming to install a security system at your house. Or this is you. You went to install something at somebody's home or in somebody's house or something. But whoever the fuck you did that to, that person they don't fucking trust you. They're suspicious of you. That shit is not gonna work. I'm getting like someone's trying to spy on somebody. Could be an Aquarian. What is this? Or it could be a star, a celebrity. That celebrity knows. What is this? That celebrity is very suspicious, because Taurus is the opposite of Scorpio. They're very suspicious. They don't trust easily and shit. Yeah, the Seven of Swords. Yeah, somebody feels like you're a fucking liar, or you're undercover, or you're on some bullshit. Because you probably are. It's the Seven of Swords. I'm getting this is somebody's strategy or plan, or yeah, I'm getting like somebody's in the military, someone's undercover. Yeah, that Wheel of Fortune, the devil, yeah. The Death card. Someone's trying to either catch you doing something incriminating or saying something incriminating, but I'm getting you're not going to. Or they're not. What's the Star card in the Hangman? Yeah, the King of Pentacles, and we have the Tower. The shit is going to fall apart. Like, it's just, somebody is very enlightened. Somebody's very keen. I have Libra coming out like 4 times. Libras are very cerebral. It could be an Aquarian. They are very difficult to trick and beguile and shit. What is the Tower? Because I feel like their readings have been very redundant, the last 3 of them. Like, the secret plan and shit is not fucking working. Like, what's the Tower? Like, somebody is completely fucking hip to what you're doing. Like, completely. Somebody is like 10 steps ahead of you and shit. Like, somebody is completely hip, completely. Like, even when you rethink the plan or you re-strategize, somebody's hip to that shit too. Somebody's hip to the new strategy as well. What's the Tower? Fuck. The 10 of Cups. Yeah. The Ace of Cups. I'm getting it could be a musician. Yeah, we have the Hermit card, because Virgo is the Hermit. It could be a Virgo. Virgos rule research. Virgos will research and then research the research. I'm getting you're dealing with someone who's very investigative themselves. They're a fucking investigator. They're a fucking ex-cop. But Virgos, they dig deep. They get to the bottom of shit. They're the Hermit. A Virgo will read all they do is read all day. Yeah, I'm getting it's over. So maybe you were testing someone, but I'm getting everything you come up with is not going to work. I'm getting you need to switch up your team or something like that. But I'm getting like something about music or a musician. What is this combination up here? I'm getting it is something about a court case or something about a legality, a house, some shit like that. Because I'm kind of getting, there's somebody here who does not live in a house. They live somewhere where they don't control when maintenance shows up, but somebody is hip to that too. What is this combination? It's like somebody's trying to keep you in a certain position or area or in a certain condition where you don't control who fucking comes and goes inside your shit. But I'm getting their hit to that. What is this combination? Because you can't just show up at somebody's fucking house and say maintenance. No, I didn't fucking call no maintenance, man. But you can at an apartment, at a high rise, or at a hotel. Because you don't control when a maintenance man shows up at a hotel, a high rise, or an apartment. Yeah, there's the Hermit again. I'm getting somebody's an investigator themselves. I'm getting you're investigating an investigator. I'm getting they're a lot smarter than you though. I'm gonna pull an oracle card. I'm sorry if I turn, because your readings, I keep getting the same shit with your readings. It's this plan shit, trying to plan or strategize against somebody else. They're smart. I mean, they're very intelligent. I'm getting to they're a fucking hermit. They have nothing but time. All they do is read and research. Yeah, lots chances are they're going to find out. Okay, but the chances a chance is like a chance encounter or something just happening out of the blue. But I'm getting we have augur master. Somebody is a master of self. Or it's almost like somebody's trying to stop somebody from getting this chance, or someone's trying to stop somebody from having a chance encounter or from being a star. It's not going to work. Or it's like someone's trying to ruin your chances or some shit like that. Because somebody wants to spy on you and shit. Or this is you. All right, so I'm going to leave it there. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.